Meaning of deportation.
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 Deportation. Deportation refers to the act of removing an individual from a country in which they do not hold citizenship or legal residency. This can occur due to violations of immigration laws, criminal activity, or other reasons. The result of deportation is that the individual is forced to leave the country and return to their home country or another designated location. Often, deportations can lead to family separation, financial hardship, and difficulties in finding employment or housing in their home country. It can also have a lasting impact on the individual's mental and emotional well-being.